In this video, we'll go over what's new in Windows 10 for October 2020, also known as version 20H2. We'll also go over the installation process. Let's start with the installation process. Head over to Settings, then click on Update and Security. Then click Check for Updates. You'll most likely see it like how it is on my computer. On some computers like mine, it'll already show you that there's a feature update for Windows 10, and that's the update that we want. If you see any other smaller updates, you can update those first since they won't take as much time. In this case, I have an intelligence update for Microsoft Defender, so I'm going to install that first before I do version 20H2. Okay, now we're ready to install the new version of Windows 10. Click Download and Install, then wait for it to start downloading and installing the update. Now all you have to do is wait. One thing to note is that version 20H2 doesn't have as many features as many other feature updates do. They're trying to focus on optimization and bug fixes. So therefore, this actually isn't that much of a new update. It's just going over what version 2004 had, which is the previous version of this update. So this update won't take as long as other feature updates to install. However, if you're upgrading from an older version of Windows, for example 1909, 1903 or something like that, and it's not 2004, it may take a little bit longer. But in my case, this didn't take as much time compared to other feature updates. Alright, now we just got our notification that the update is ready. What you're going to want to do is just click on Restart Now, and it'll restart your computer and update the computer as well. Just be patient. To make this video shorter and save time for you guys as the viewers, I'm going to be cutting some of the scenes of the update. On the lock screen, so what you're going to do is just sign into your computer and get right in. It may take a little bit longer when it says welcome, but other than that, there really isn't anything much to it. You're done. So yeah, if you've gone to this page, that means that you've updated successfully. So I'm going to go over what's new in this update now. And as you can see, we just got a notification. Since I have an Acer laptop, it has a blue light shield. And that notification is actually one of the features of this new update. They've kind of revamped what the notifications look like. Yeah, they're just refining things, honestly. And here's the next feature. So that's the new start menu. Sure, it may look the same, but you might not tell that this color is actually going to be adjusting to the color that you choose for your windows. So if you have an accent color that adjusts to your wallpaper, that's going to be the same color for your start menu tiles and the background. So it'll look much better compared to older versions of Windows, where it was just that one part of the start menu where it looked kind of out of place because the color was different. The third new feature is a new About section in the Settings app. So they've moved that from the control panel because they want to get rid of it. And this will show you all of your computer's information, so pretty cool stuff there. The next feature only applies to certain computers, but you can now change the refresh rate of your display. In my case, I can't. It's stuck at 60 Hz, but if you got a dedicated monitor for that, you might be able to. Xbox Game Pass is now on PC, so that's pretty cool for all you Xbox users out there. And the next feature, probably one of the best features in Windows 20H2, is that now the Microsoft Edge tabs are in the multitasking view. So you can do this by clicking Alt Tab, and you can cycle through each of the windows and tabs that you have open. Or if you're using a laptop with a touchpad, you can just move your finger with 3 fingers sideways, depending on which tab that you want. So I'm pressing Alt Tab, and you can see now that I can switch through my tabs and my programs. So I have Microsoft Store and Microsoft Edge open, with a few tabs open as well, and those tabs are now in the view. If you have a convertible Windows 10 machine, for example one that turns into a tablet like a Surface, well, there's new tablet posture improvements, so as soon as you go into tablet mode, that search bar will become smaller and a few other refinements to make it better. And that about wraps things up for this video, guys. That was just how to install and download the update and what's new in this update. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.